Hey, it's Ryan, FCPros here. We're going to offer you a startup tidbit for your gas fireplace for the season. One of the main things you're going to need in order to turn this fireplace on is a pilot light. Sometimes a pilot light is going to be operated by your remote system. Other times it's going to be something that's lit all the time. So we're going to take a quick look at what a pilot light looks like and talk about that more in detail. So we're going to go over here to a gas fireplace, and we can see that little flame right there. Now, what I want you to look at in particular is that flame is mostly blue. So blue is a good color in a pilot light. If it's yellow and it's really long, that means that you definitely need a maintenance. But if it's shorter and bluer, more like a torch, that's exactly how it should look. So in order for every fireplace to light up, that pilot light is the first step in order for the main fire to come on. Once again, this is another tip from Ryan at Fireplace and Chimney Pros. Thanks for watching and have a great day.